My trip to Mexico was fantastic, but like all great things, it must come to an end, and we are back to reality. After every trip, I like to get a good night rest. So when I got out of the airport last night, I took a shower, went to bed, and got a full 12 hours of sleep. And now I am waking up today feeling refreshed, reset, and ready to conquer the day. It's really important for me to get back into my routines as soon as I get back home, because the longer I wait, the harder it is to get back into it. And I'm starting today like I do every other day, and that's by making my bed and make sure my room is back to how I like it. This is a step in my routine that I cannot miss. No matter how long your flight is, the air on the plane is super drying and will leave your skin feeling super dry. So when I got home last night, I actually did a mask, and I'm doing another one today because I need to restore the moisture back into my skin. And I'm using, this is a very generic skin mask that I got at Target, I believe, but it's a sheet mask. It is a collagen sheet mask, and I'm just applying it, and I'm only gonna leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't know about anybody else, but whenever I go on vacation, eating healthy is the least of my worries. However, when I come back home, I always feel the need to detox. I always feel bloated. So I am focusing on eating healthy today. So I'm starting the day by making myself a detox smoothie. I just added a few cucumbers, some frozen bananas, and frozen strawberries that I had put in the freezer before I left home. And I made the huge mistake of putting the bananas in the freezer with the peel on. Biggest mistake of my life, but we made it work. But I am just kind of using whatever leftovers I had in my fridge, and I'm adding some ginger to make a full detox smoothie. I would be lying if I told you that I don't check my emails while I'm on vacation. However, I try to limit it. So when I get back home, I like to check my emails. I might not get straight into work and doing the work, but I like to just check my emails and jot down a list of things that I need to do throughout the week to get back into the swing of things, and also get anything that need my attention immediately, just getting those things out the way. I know we are all guilty of living out of our suitcase for way too long. So in a way to get myself out of the habit, I try to unpack the same day or the day after I come back home. That way I don't have to worry about it, and I don't have to keep passing my suitcase wondering when will I finally unpack. Finally, I like to get my laundry out of the way because the goal is to have everything in place to start fresh the next day. And this is basically my entire post-vacation reset routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.